Huge thanks to Joe and Christine and everyone else in Sallynoggin who's put so much work into the students who've passed through there over the years. First time I paid a visit there was in 1999 as I was struggling to get through the Leaving Cert, and went out for a portfolio review with Joe, and he was really encouraging, showed me around the dark room. I'll never forget it. I just thought the place was I couldn't believe that all I was going to have to do once I finished school was get in here and learn how to shoot photos, print photos and develop film. So yeah, I've Sallynoggin along the way. There's so many key figures in photography in Ireland have passed through the place. It's kind of like the unsung hero of Irish photography, and I think it quite often doesn't get the respect it deserves. So personally, I wouldn't be where I am today without Sallynoggin. So thanks to Joe, thanks to Christine, and also all my friends I've met there over the years.